Hey guys, so sometimes you might want to do a full SEO analysis within Google Sheets, and to do that you'll have to import all the URLs inside the sheet, and this can be quite tricky. You can use different tools for that, but you can also use a very simple formula, a custom formula, to just extract them right away from your website. A use case might be you want to take all the titles and meta description from a page based on the URL. So we can do that in a file like this. I just want to show you the custom formula that has been set up in this particular file. So in this case, if you simply type sitemap and then the URL where sitemap is hosted, so in this case for zebrafarm.sitemap.xml, you can find it here. So this is the sitemap that the crawlers will visit, but I want to have all these URLs inside Google Sheets. So there is this script, and with big thanks to Dave Sotimano, definitely give Dave a follow if you're interested in this. And what it's basically doing is it fetches that particular URL and then starts looking for all the locations within this particular file. So to give it more precisely, it's looking to find the children of the URL and then parsing the logs into this array, and then later on it will return all the locations basically, and by returning it, it will answer the sitemap function, which is called here. So that's why you get all of these URLs. So that's how that works. You can also change this. So I think if you, I don't have very interesting information in here, but let's say we want to change frequency. So let's take, no, so it's the root children. Here we go. Save it. And then we run it again. It will take the frequency instead of the location, but that's less interesting, obviously. Okay, so let's do that. Yeah, if this is helpful, let me know. If you have any questions, for instance, you might want to do the frequency in the second column and a priority in the third column, and then a meta title, meta description. I am working on tutorials for particularly that, so do ask a question if you would like access to them. All right, then good luck.